Yesu we, oh Yesu we, nasema asante kwako. Umenikung'uta mavumbi, ukanivalisha heshima. Oh Yesu we, oh Yesu we, nasema asante. Come on, everybody say. Asante. Yesu, asante.
His name is Gabriel Katiwa and he joins us here on the show. Karibu sana.
Asante sana.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Yes?
Bwana amenisaidia.
Amina. Umetoka Nakuru? Umefika salama, hata sisi twashukuru.
Asante.
Good. Wakati wa salamu lazima ushout out fundi wako. Umeona hiyo suti pia kwa video na unaona hii. Ukikosa kumsalimu hapo umekosea kweli kweli. You look very sharp.
Thank you so much.
Hizi viatu mnazo, hey, he looks really dope though.
Unaona vile zimewaka. Unaona vile zimewaka, unaweza jiona
hapo. Wewe Benyekena na kuangalia uchunge uko na viatu ukitoka hapa. Utaenda nyumbani barefoot. But tell us a bit about yourself, Gabriel.
Yes, my name is Gabriel. Nimeokoka, Yesu ni Bwana. Mhuduma kupitia nyimbo za Injili. And nimezaliwa pande za Kitui.
Okay.
Currently nakaa Nakuru.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Mziki, have you been serving in church or what led to this project that we've just seen?
Yeah, nimekuwa nikitumika katika kanisa la KAG Free Area under Reverend Charles. Na hapo ndo tumefanya hiyo live recording.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Process ya kufanya live recording ilikuwa vipi?
Mungu ndiye ametusaidia. It's only God ambaye alitupatia the vision ya kufanya live recording na ndiye alitusaidia kufanya.
Okay.
It wasn't easy.
Yeah.
But God alituenable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was this your first live recording?
Sure, yeah.
How many songs were you able to prepare?
I prepared and recorded 4 songs ambazo zimetoka 3.
Okay.
Nimebakia 1.
All right.
Yeah.
Wonderful. What would be your encouragement then to other musicians? Maybe kuna wengi najua kwa worship teams, labda wamekalia hiyo talent ama wanaona tu, you know, they don't want to, ama wamejaribu na kuenda venye wanataka wakaogopa. Is there any word of encouragement you'd have for anybody looking to step out into doing, you know, their own music and doing such a project?
All right, the first thing I can tell them is jambo la kwanza, you should have somewhere you're serving. Mahali pale ambapo unalishwa, so that you can have something ambao unaweza give to people. It is possible. You can do this because I did this. Very possible.
Okay.
Tukimtegemea Bwana anafanya mambo yote yakuwe sawa.
All right.
Yeah.
So what else are you hoping to come out of your music ministry? You've released 3 out of the 4 songs you recorded. Ni nini ingine unatarajia?
Okay, this year mwezi wa 4 we had a live recording ambayo tulifanyia pale Sitam Valley Road.
Okay.
Another one.
A different project. Okay.
Yeah, a different one.
Okay.
We have some songs that we are waiting for. And some good things are coming.
All right.
Yeah.
So kabla ya kufanya hizi live recordings ulikuwa ushatoa muziki?
Yeah, nilikuwa nimetoa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. It sounds like but for you now the future is live recordings?
Yeah. Because this is the trend that is coming up.
Okay.
So we are trying to align on that.
Okay.
Live recording.
All right.
Yeah.
Labda Gabriel tunataka kujua because umetoka Nakuru.
Yes.
Wewe kama msanii kutoka Nakuru, tumesikia umetravel all the way ukakuja mpaka Sitam Valley Road kufanya live recording. What are some of the challenges mnapitia kama wasanii from outside Nairobi for your music to be played ama kufika huku na pia kukuja kufanya such live recording, because wasanii wa Nakuru wamejituma sana. So tuambie tu some of the things that you know ulipitia as you preparing these live recordings na pia kama msanii kutoka Nakuru.
All right. The first challenge is finances.
Okay.
You know that live recording costs a lot of money. So getting people to support you, stand with you, is a challenge.
Okay.
I can say that's a major one. So people are supporting us. They love our music. But pale kwa mfuko, yeah, we don't get that support kabisa. Yeah, but I thank God because the moment that I was preparing, people came, they supported us, our church, walitusupport sana katika ile project.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ni message gani ungependa kuambia mafans, because our mafans watakuja live recording. Na because of hiyo expense yote umepitia, unajua mafans pia Joyce, you know, sometimes we really wish that they could come and support this artist, because mafans watakuja kuambie Gabriel umekawia kutoa muziki. So ni nini message utawaambia leo so that they can continue supporting your music? Na tukitisha event wakuje mafans wako waongeleshe leo.
So to our fans, keep on supporting us because hii ni kazi ambayo Mungu ametuitia, and we need people to stand with us. So just keep on supporting this ministry, na tungojea wakati wa Mungu ukifika ndo mzuri. Usikuwe na pressure, Gabriel umenyamaza sana.
Yeah.
Usikuwe na pressure sana. Wakati wa Mungu ndio mzuri. Yes.
Hapo sawa. Tumefurahi sana Gabriel. Unafanya kazi mzuri sana. Sisi kama Team Rauka tutakushikilia. The live recordings produced really well.
Asante.
Na sisi tutakusupport. Ama vipi Joyce? Na wasanii wote wa Nakuru na kaunti zote za hii Kenya yetu. Rauka ni nyumbani ya kila msanii. Ukifanya kazi mzuri, quality mzuri, video mzuri, tuko ndani.
Thank you so much.
Awesome. Well, you're going to sing one more song for us.
Yeah.
What's it called?
Pokea sifa umetenda.
Tell us what was going through your mind, your heart, your spirit as you were writing this song and preparing it.
So I got this song way back when I was working in a company. And there was nothing which was working on me. I was paid very little amount.
Okay.
And one day, as I was trekking to my place of work, the song came. You hear the verse, it says that Jehovah Shalom, Jehovah Jireh, meaning that God is our provider and He is also our peace. So I got that song from that revelation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Well, we're excited to hear it. But before you do, labda uko na salamu unaweza zituma?
Yeah. Kwanza ni mingi.
Ni mingi. Taangalia hapa. Usiende. Usimame tu hapo.
Sure. So I'm sending my greetings to my people from home. That is my mom. Nakusalimia sana mahali ulipo. To my uncles and also to my bishop, Bishop Festus Mativo in Nakuru. Na wasalimu wote watu wa kanisa letu KG Free Area, Reverend Charles, Pastor Lillian, Elder Joseph, Elder Justina, my wife Miriam. Na wasalimia sana na kanisa lote. Na wasalimu.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for coming on to the show.
Thank you.
And all the best to you. We're going to leave the show now with Gabriel's song playing. But thank you so much for your company here today. It's been a pleasure as always. I hope you've enjoyed yourselves and the programming. I pray that you've been encouraged as well and that we've helped you begin the brand new week on a good note. My name is Joyce Omwandi Wahiga. Let's meet again next week, Sunday, God willing, bright and early at 6 a.m. right here for Rauka. In between then, you can catch me during the week at Joyce Omondi.
And the team that has been working behind the scenes.
Absolutely. Kenny, thank you to our amazing crew. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Henry. Thank you, Madam Elizabeth. Thank you, Dawn. Thank you, Steve-O. Who do we have on TX today? Thank you, Vivian. God bless you all. Thank you to the entire Citizen crew. From the gate, our security, to our protocol, all our guest relations people. By the way, we really appreciate you guys. Thank you for... And Minju.
Me too.
Me too. Why am I calling him Minju? Me too. Thank you, Me too. Me too ensures that our set is always sparkling clean. Thank you. He's very serious about his role, by the way. Shout out to you, Me too. God bless you.
Thank you, Joyce, as well, for the good job.
Thank you, Kenny.
Tunashukuru sana. Don amesema umeponea. And I was here to help you. My name is Ken the DJ. Thank you so much, Team Rauka, for tuning in. We meet again next Sunday right here on a #1 TV station from 6 a.m. all the way to 8 a.m. Kuwe na wiki njema. Mungu awabariki. Tuonane.
Okay, I see for one. heshima na nguvu tunakupa, wasahili heshima na uweza. Hakuna mwingine kama wewe, mwenye nguvu na sifa ni wewe Bwana. Pokea sifa, sifa zote. Ee Bwana wewe unastahili, hakuna kama wewe Bwana. Sifa zote. Ee Bwana unastahili. Baba pokea sifa, sifa zote. Ee Bwana unastahili, hakuna kama wewe Bwana. Sifa zote. Ee Bwana unastahili. Music, come on. Unacheza pamoja nasi, come on. One more time. Wapi vigelegele kidogo wewe?
Yesu umekuwa rafiki wa karibu, ninapokosa amani na kuita Jehova Shalom, wakati misina na kuita Jehova Jireh. Wewe ni Mungu unayenijali. Yesu umekuwa rafiki wa karibu, ninapokosa amani na kuita Jehova Shalom, wakati misina na kuita Jehova Jireh.